swath of lightning that we're seeing down to the south. We don't want to ignore these areas that are getting hit so hard right now by not just the lightning, but by the heavy rainfall.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey until 9:45 a.m. At 8:39 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Turnersville to Franklinville to Elmer, moving east at 30 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail. Severe thunderstorms will be near Williamstown and Sicklerville around 8:50 a.m., Atco and Newfield around 8:55 a.m., Victoria Lakes and Chesilhurst around 9 a.m., Shamong and Hamilton around 9:20 a.m., Warren State Forest and Elwood Magnolia around 9:30 a.m., Battsville around 9:35 a.m. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Very heavy rain will also occur with this line of severe thunderstorms, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.
Jeez, this is gonna be